loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya Savanth. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's a new day, new video, beautiful Wednesday, and my angels, did you notice my background? I have finally set up my YouTube studio. Hope you all like it. Do let me know what you all think about my background. I am so excited for this look today. I challenged myself to go ahead and do a tutorial on cut crease eye makeup. Now let's get to the tutorial. I will show you all each and every step to achieve this look. I will guide you through the entire process, including the brush details as well. And let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any particular look for you all. Let's connect on Instagram and Facebook page. You will find my socials link in description box below. And I do upload videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, so stay tuned guys. Subscribe to my channel because you do not want to miss out on my videos. Without any further ado, let's get started. I have done my eyebrows off camera and concealed my eyelids using Makeup Studio Concealer Palette in EP001. Video for that will be linked on top, please have a look. Today I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture Eyeshadow Palette, picking up the shade called Untamed from the brush Morphe M506 to blend outer corner of my eyes. Do not worry about the blending procedure, it can slightly go upwards and downwards. Now to soften out the blending, I am going with a concealer from a flat brush from Morphe M224 just to lighten the green shade. To avoid making it look sharp, I am picking up yellow shade called Edge with a blending brush from Morphe M330 to blend out with the green shade. Now going back to the same green shade and the same brush M506, I am adding more of green color called Untamed to the outer corner. Now to create the crease line, the concealer I am using is from Tarte in light medium and I am using flat brush from Morphe M224. Here I applied the concealer to my eyelid and looked up to get the perfect line to draw for my crease. And this is how I do the cut crease, easy right? Now to lock the concealer, I am using Revolution Luxury Powder by just dabbing on my eyelid, and the brush I am using is from Morphe M441. To darken my outer corner, I am using shade called Axis. It is slightly darker than the previous green which I used earlier. Now to fill up the remaining part of the crease, I am using shade called Electric from the palette and the brush is from Morphe M213, just going only on the remaining part. Using the same brush, I am now highlighting my brow bone with the shade called Cube. I am now using mascara from Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex Mascara. Cleaning up all the fallouts from wet wipes. Using my current favorite moisturizer from Clinique works wonders for my skin. For primer, I am using MAC primer in Radiant Pink. For the concealer, I am using Makeup Studio Concealer Palette in EP001, going all over my under eyes, nose and forehead. For the foundation, today I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. It has flawless base. Concealer, I am using Tarte in light medium. I always love to go with concealer even after the foundation just to highlight. To set my makeup now, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder from brush Morphe E48. Going back to my eyes, I am now using small brush to blend under my eyes, and I've picked up yellow shade named Edge from the palette, blending it under my eyes. To make it look dramatic, I'm using green shade called Untamed, just going halfway. Just dusting off the translucent powder now. Now using powder contour from Kat Von D, applying from a small brush and blending it. For the blush, I am going with Too Faced blush in Sparkling Bellini with the brush from Morphe M405. Now I am using highlighter from pack BK02 from the brush M501 from Morphe. For the lippy, today I am using Huda Beauty in Sugar Mama. When I am doing heavy eye makeup, I would like to keep the lips simple and subtle. Last but not the least, to lock my entire makeup using MAC Fix Spray. And yeah, not forgetting my lower lashes as well. Here is the completed look. Hope you all like this cut crease eyeshadow tutorial. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Also, if you want me to do any particular video, please do comment. Get in touch with me on social media platform. The link will be given in the description box below. And if you create this look, please do tag me so that I can repost the same. I upload videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. So stay tuned for more beauty related videos and do check out my other tutorials, guys. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. See you with my next video on Friday. Bye.